Welcome to Grandpa's Kitchen. Today we're cooking some chicken noodle soup. You can use chicken noodle soup in all sorts of occasions. You can eat it and it's yummy, and you can have it for colds and flus. It takes care of all those colds and flu symptoms, makes you feel better quickly. Okay, here we have all the ingredients and we're ready to go. First of all, 2 cups of carrots. Put as many noodles as you'd like in. Have some chicken and some 2 cups of celery. And we have lots of good stuff here. Salt, pepper, chicken bouillon, and sage, and thyme, and basil. And so that's the spices we use. Plus we add half a cup of dry onion and a tablespoon of garlic. Add 3 cups of chicken stock. And here's the pan. Let's put it all in and stir it all together and cook it up. Oh, we have to add 6 cups of water too, almost forgot. So everything cooks for about 20 minutes on high. Let it boil and test, make sure that the carrots and the celery are done the way you like it. So you always want to clean up while the food is cooking. So we have the food over here cooking, and we have the dishes that we just used here. Whoa, look at that. It's boiling. And so once it starts to boil, it boils for about 20 minutes. You can leave the lid off if you put too much water in, or if you didn't have enough, you can keep the lid on a little bit, keep it from steaming. And so you can put noodles in about 10 minutes. And then if you are allergic to noodles, or you can put gluten-free noodles in, or you can just leave the noodles out altogether, or you can put rice in, or anything else you want in there. So enjoy. You can either put the noodles in whole, or you can break them up in pieces. I like to break them up into little pieces, about thirds. But your kids might like them long noodles so they can play with them. And then you let that sit for about 10 minutes and you're all done. If you'd like to have more recipes, comment down below and tell me what you'd like me to show you how to make. I also have up here a video, and down here another video, and I'm going to show you how to make wassail and make a fruit smoothie for morning breakfast and some other cool stuff. So if you just look up here at the other videos, you can find those.